This is cylinder that control the cement valve. So now we want to test if the air is passing through this cylinder to activate this lock. So you can see this gear teeth here. Take a look. It's coming this way. There's this boot lock like this. Take a look. That will lock this. Come this way. Come this way. We push inside. That will lock this side. There's this bolt in this other side. But now we want to pull out to see if our hair have come to this this direction. There's air, but this air is too small, so the compressor has issue. So this air is not enough to push this this coil. You can see the hair cannot even move my arm. So I'm going to lose the other one. See the pressure of the hair. I'm going to lose this. This one is bad. Look at this. This one is also bad. You can see it's already broken. It's bad. It's bad. You're supposed to have spare. Let me lose from the down. Let me get spanner. Loose for me, yeah. Good. Okay, let's press. It's bad. I don't want to. So
just.
You can see I'm trying to press. I'm supposed to press just like the way I press this. You can see I press this. It's working. I'm just similar. Give me spanner. Use screwdriver to press for me. Let me push out. So you can see it's bad.
But you cannot pull out because of the.
You cannot pull out. So okay.
Yes, already entered.
Okay. There's no issue.
Check this
okay.
side. This side.
Don't look.
Yeah, check the two here. The other side and this side.
Okay. Unlock. Try to press it. There's hair here. No, try to lose this out. Press this out for me. I've already closed the hair. No, yes. Anyway, yeah. Just press. Hold this for me. Hold this side. Hold it. Hold this side for me. Hold this side like this. Let's see how this will work. Right. No, you push and drag that side. You push. Excuse me.
Oh yeah.
No. You have to push this. You can't drag like that. Okay. See, just take a look. This is how to pull out.
I know.
Press it. You can see this. You push. You push. Then
this one is bad.
It's bad. But let's see how I can put. I just want to put. You can see there's no hair. Do you see that there's no hair? So this air is not enough to turn this cylinder to open, to push this. Do you know the force that the hair that would take to push this? So now we are going to the second one. You can see. Yeah, let's go to this other one. As you can see, I've locked this I'm going to open it now. Let's check. There's no hair. There's no hair in this. So we are going down to check your compressor. So this air is not enough. It's not enough to turn this. To check if this cylinder is valved. Let's go down. Let me confirm. Let's go down.
Yeah, not the go up.